So my name is Angela Brown. I am the Associate Director of the Residential Life Department here at FIT. I also sit on the Sustainability Council as one of the council members, and I'm a part of the EMSS division. So I was a part of a grant writing team that won a grant from the Sustainability Council to create an edible urban garden right here on campus, where we already have a fruiting peach tree. Yeah, the initiative behind it is to honestly create more awareness around urban gardening and the access that you actually have to it living in an urban city, the impacts that it has on not only sustainability, but also your own individual health, and acknowledging how what you eat truly impacts your overall well-being and your ability to perform well as a student and in life. We are turning a huge courtyard behind our residence halls on 27th Street into this area that will be growing fruit trees. That requires the support of our buildings and grounds teams, which was on board and supported the grant and was one of our sign-offs of support to get it to happen. In addition, working with our FIT's external partner of their landscaping architect company that actually keeps up all of our grounds on campus. So really tapping into those two huge resources for our project. In addition, working with the dietitian from Health Services, as well as the Student Government Sustainability Council member. We included every partner involved in this project because we acknowledge creating an urban garden on campus is going to take more support. So it's really crossing this in between of utilizing facilities on campus in addition to creating an educational learning opportunity through that experience. I think to be able to showcase the ability to grow fruit and produce on campus is impact in itself. Literally, we can turn that garden into an area that people can tour as a part of their tour at FIT. In addition, our department is creating a living learning community around the garden. And then additionally, we'll be actually harvesting. Again, this is few years down the line, but we'll be able to harvest some of these fruits. And our plan is to eventually work with the nutritionists as well as our campus food pantry to start actually having some of this food available for students to actually take and utilize a part of our food pantry operation. So in short, the impact of this project will be massive, and it won't be possible without all the other partners collaborating with us to make this work. I think first step is sharing this word. I think the second step of it is if you're a student entering our college, you can apply to live in our sustainable urban gardening living learning community on campus. That will be available in fall 2022 for any new first year entering student who's interested in getting more involved. We're going to need a lot of volunteers as we get the garden going. It will be a long-term community upkeep project. So any faculty, staff that is interested in collaborating and getting involved can literally email me directly. More than happy to have more support as we grow our garden.